Sleep on your face? Sleep on your face. Your nose is all crinkled. Do you sleep on your face? Who's sleeping on your face? Let's see if Forrest can ride his bike. Are you asleep enough to ride your bike? Where's your foot? Are you asleep enough to ride your bike? Let's ride our bike. I think we can. Oh, there's a dreaming kitty. Let's see if we can ride our bike. Oh. I'm gonna ride my bike. I'm gonna ride my bike. Okay, let's move the tail. Move the tail. Uh-oh, here's the movement. Let's ride our bike. Come on, bike rider. Let me see your feet. Oh wait, that's the wrong foot. That's why. I'm gonna ride my bike. I'm gonna ride my bike. I'm gonna ride my bike and not wake up. Ride my bike. Ride my bike. Ride my bike. Ride my bike. I'm gonna ride my bike. I'm gonna ride my bike. Ride my bike. Ride my bike. Ride my bike. I'm gonna ride my bike. I'm gonna. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and ride my bike. Ride my bike. Ride my bike. Didn't you wake up yet? Sleeping on your face. That's a sleepy kitty. Won't wake up. I won. Oh, oh, oh. Look at this little foot wiggle. Oh, it's running. Kitty's running. Don't run. Oh, oh. Ride my bike, ride my bike. Okay, let's see if we can move this one. Oh, oh, something's happening. He's angry. There's some serious dreaming going on right now. What if I did that? What if I did this? What if I did second? Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Oh, he's hissing. Hissing in his dream. Oh. Oh. There's an angry kitty. There's the tail. Oh, he's growling. There's a growling kitty. I wonder who he's fighting. This is great. Oh. Oh. That was a good dream. Who are you fighting? Who are you fighting? Oh, ow! Ow! Where are you, butthole? Ooh, there's a kitty in your dream. Kitty! Ooh! Look at that face. Ow, now I have blood. Appreciate that one. Anger. Who are you fighting in your dream? Wasn't me.